we're here at the step of cleaning. This is my preferred method. I usually used to use the greaser and brake cleaner and all this other weird type of soaps, but I realized that using oven cleaner, probably something a lot better than this. This is from the dollar store, you know, really cheap stuff. I don't know where it's made, but usually I do this, give it a couple coats, let it sit there for a while. Be very careful. I taped that is the intake side, right? No, this is the exhaust side. And my bad, I'm new to this K series world. This is the intake side. I shoved paper, but I'm not even gonna spray nothing around there. I'll just deal with this later, because you do not want water getting into your valves or anything like that. That's causes seizing. Your engine can seize or whatever. I don't want to deal with that. So for right now, we're gonna do this. Later on, we're gonna let this sit for about an hour or two, maybe 3, maybe overnight. Then we're gonna hose it down with some water, and let's see. I'm gonna try to go pick up some engine spray, something close to gray, maybe a little silverish. I don't want it to pop out too much. But yep, that's where we at now, guys. I'm currently waiting. Order the adapter. You guys will most likely, I'm gonna make this one video when I have the adapter, the clutch, the flywheel, and I'm going to go pick up a drive shaft for the 5-speed Miata transmission. An hour away from me, guys, giving me a great deal, $50. Can't beat it. Everywhere else I see it for like $200. So yep, that's where we at. I'm back in this part. While I'm waiting for the more parts to arrive, I got some engine paint. I'm cleaning up the block, painting the block. I'm having a really hard time taking this pulley off. This crankshaft pulley is giving me a really hard time. Gonna paint the block, paint the transmission. This way, when I put them together, as you can see. I mean, I'm not too picky on the sensors being painted. I don't really care. I'm not painting the head though. But yeah, the valve cover I really don't care either, because I'm gonna end up changing that hopefully. But as you guys see, quick update. I'm gonna show you the before and after, so you guys can see.